place is just loaded with birds right now.
What?
The place is just loaded with birds right now, Cheryl.
Is it?
Oh, I mean, there must be 25, 30 birds out there, and he's back.
Where?
He's on the Golden Lantern. He's eating.
Take him.
I'm got him. He's being taped. Oh, he flew away.
Are you kidding me?
No, I got him, though.
Oh. 35 birds there?
Yeah,
You're
at least.
kidding.
No, this place is just packed with birds.
You're lying to me.
Well, you'll see it tonight if you want me to show it to you.
So I'm not going to move. So I move my feet.
He's back
up.
again. My God, he came in there twice.
Did he?
Yeah. I mean, this is plain funny. They're just all over the place.
Can I make him fly?
Nope.
Okay.
I think that sucker's back again for the third time. Only he's on the
Good.
back of it where it's hard to see him, but he's got his head out.
That he's not afraid.
Nah.
Well, at this moment he isn't.
Wow.
Is he so skittish because his head is so red?
I don't know, sweetheart. That's a good possibility. But this is the best video I've had.
Wow.
My hand is starting to shake. Up, he went.